Guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I did this olive green smoky eye, which is pretty easy to do. So if you guys want to see how I did it, just keep on watching. So first I'm going to be starting off with my favorite primer of all time, the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and just apply that all over my face. And to correct my dark circles, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in orange and applying that right on my dark circles. And so for foundation day, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation, and this is a new foundation that I just tried, and I give a review after you see the clips of me putting it on. But it's a nice foundation, and it's a satin finish. As you see, it's not so runny and not super thick. It's like right in between, and I really liked it, and I'll talk about it in like a few seconds. So as you can see, the foundation doesn't look bad. It's definitely medium coverage, so it's definitely buildable, but it's not like full coverage. And I do like the finish of it, but you can see like right here as my, problem areas, you can see that the redness is still peeking through. So if that's gonna bother you, I probably wouldn't recommend this foundation, but I actually kind of do like it. So it's not bad at all. And then to set my face, I'm using this e.l.f. I believe it's like a priming setting powder, but it's really old, so any powder that you like, go ahead and use it, but this is what I'm using. Then going into the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, I'm going to be grabbing this nice brown shade. I'm going to be pointing to it in just a few seconds, right there. I'm going to apply this as a transition shade on my eyes. So going to my Nubian 2 palette by Juvias Place, I grab the shade Egypt, and then I also go in with Kenya to darken the outside. But Egypt is this really pretty green color, and that's what I'm going to be applying to my lids. And with the lid basically applied, I went back into the Jaclyn Hill palette and grabbed that same like terracotta color and just blended it out so it won't be so harsh. Then with the It Superhero Mascara, I just applied some mascara to my lashes, and this is my favorite mascara of all time. Yes, it's $24, but I definitely think it's worth it. And after all that's done, here is how it's looking right now. And please, I've heard the mentions in the way beginning, but please don't mind my nails. They are a mess. I need to take them off. But yeah, here's how it looks right now. So for highlight, I'm going in with the e.l.f. by Nabella Noor collaboration, and with my Milani Make It Last setting spray, I'm just going to spray my face and then just apply the highlighter after that. And for lips, I'm going into the also Nabella Noor by e.l.f. Collaboration and grabbing the liquid lipstick that came with her collection and applying that to my lips. And so here is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. So I'll see you guys next time. See ya!